Metal roof panel corrosion is a serious problem that usually pops up when the installation wasn't done right, and it can mess up your whole roof faster than you think. So, if you want your metal roof to last, start by making sure the panels are installed with the right fasteners. Like, using screws that won't rust over time is a must. You gotta seal those seams properly, because gaps let water sneak in and cause rust. Also, avoid direct contact between dissimilar metals. That's a quick way to get corrosion going. Check that the panels have enough overlap to keep moisture out, and always install a good underlayment for extra protection. Don't forget about proper ventilation, since trapped moisture under the roof panels can speed up corrosion like crazy. When fastening, don't over-tighten screws, or you'll damage the protective coating on the panels. And finally, schedule regular inspections to catch any signs of corrosion early before it turns into a big headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal roof panel corrosion is using the wrong type of fasteners, which leads to rust spots and leaks. Fix that by picking corrosion-resistant screws made for metal roofs. Another common issue is poor sealing at the joints and seams, which lets water in and starts rust. Using high-quality sealant and double-checking every seam helps avoid this. A third problem is mixing metals that shouldn't be together, like attaching steel panels directly to aluminum flashings, which causes electrochemical reactions that eat away at the metal. Make sure to use compatible materials or add a barrier between them. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know what they're doing on metal roofing jobs. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find work and grow their business without all the usual hassle.